Welcome back to Big Tech TV. Just how far can savings with big technology be created by using commodity storage systems? And what are the most popular formats? Our reporter Annabelle Knight caught up with Max Brown Sr., systems engineer at this year's IP Expo, to find out the answers.
Hi Max, so tell me, how do you see the storage market evolving today?
I think we're seeing a number of transitional changes with storage. One of the main things that I see in terms of the way data is being presented to servers, the things that we used to do with disk arrays in the old days. So for example, a lot of the functionality that people used to expect that you'd have inside the disk array has now moved a few layers up the stack to the application layer, to the hypervisor layer. A great example of this is what VMware have been doing with things like replication, thin provisioning. These used to be features that you would, for some vendors, you'd have to pay per terabyte for to exist in the disk array, but now you can let the application vendors take advantage of that. Again, if you look at Microsoft with what they're doing with Server 2012, again, they're moving towards the model of not necessarily needing a full-blown enterprise class SAN, but using kind of cheaper JBOD, scale-out DAS appliances. And from what we're seeing there, this is enabling people to do storage at a much lower cost using commodity hardware. If you look at what the cloud builders are doing today, again, they're doing a similar thing. If you look at the Facebooks and Googles, very few of those type of companies are buying very expensive tier 1 enterprise class arrays. They're using cheaper commodity-based storage with an intelligence layer, which might be file systems such as Gluster and Lustre, ZFS, or maybe in some cases they even write their own file systems. So this is lending themselves to have a more agile infrastructure at a much lower cost.
Brilliant, well thank you so much for that. It was a handshake. Thanks for your time, Max. Now we're going straight back to Abby at the studio.
Now, if you want to find out more, you'll be pleased to know there are over a dozen of the latest recordings of webinars that show how you can apply commodity storage to a whole host of big tech scenarios, so you can delve deeper and view in your own time. Register for free at www.coraid.com/news_events/webinars. That's all for now. Keep watching Big Tech TV and see you again soon for more big tech news and reviews.